Are you tired of explaining the same thing to AI tools over and over again? What if your AI could actually remember everything you've researched, saved, and worked on? Today, I'm showing you a tool that does exactly that. This is AI Context Flow, and it might completely change how you use AI. Let's be honest for a second. You open 10 tabs. You read articles. You copy important parts into a doc. And when you finally go to ChatGPT or any AI tool, boom, you start from zero. You have to explain everything again. It's slow, it's messy, and it kills your productivity. That's where AI Context Flow comes in. Instead of losing your research, it stores everything in one place and makes it instantly usable across AI tools. Think of it like this: your personal AI brain that remembers what you care about. Now let's talk about the feature. First up, memory buckets. You can create folders for anything: learning programming, writing content, planning a trip, client projects. Just name a bucket and start saving content into it. PDFs, upload them. Articles, highlight and save. Notes, store instantly. And the best part? It even summarizes your content automatically. Here's where it gets really cool. You can highlight any text on any website, right-click, and save it directly into your memory bucket. No copy-paste, no switching tabs, no mess. It's fast and honestly kind of addictive. Now imagine this: you open an AI chat and it already knows everything you saved. That's exactly what happens here. You can ask questions, generate content, build plans. And the AI responds based on your actual research, not generic internet data. Another big win: this tool works across multiple AI platforms. So instead of being stuck with just one AI, you can connect your memory to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more. Same context, different AI brains. Struggling with writing the perfect prompt? No problem. AI Context Flow has a built-in prompt optimizer. Just write your rough idea, hit optimize, and it transforms it into a clean, powerful prompt. This alone can save you hours. Let me give you a real example. Say you're planning a trip to Japan. You browse blogs, save places, collect ideas. Then you open AI and say, create a travel plan using my saved context. And boom, you get a full itinerary based on everything you researched. That's powerful. Right now, there's a lifetime deal available. Instead of paying monthly, you pay once and use it forever. Starts at around $59 and there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's pretty low risk. So, is AI Context Flow worth it? If you use AI daily, yes. If you hate repeating yourself, yes. If you want smarter, faster workflows, 100% yes. It's not just another AI tool. It's the missing layer that makes all your AI tools work better together. All right, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. And if you want to check out AI Context Flow, link is in the description. See you in the next one.